In a wholesale business, different types of customers often need different pricing. WholesaleX lets you organize customers into separate B2B user roles, so you can control pricing and store access for each group. So let's see how to create and configure B2B user roles in WooCommerce. If you haven't created a user role in WholesaleX, go to the Overview dashboard, then click the Create B2B Role button. First, enter a name for the role. The role ID is generated automatically, so you don't need to configure it separately. The credit balance field comes from WholesaleX wallet add-ons. To learn more about it, check this video. Next, choose how customers who select this role during registration will be approved. You can use the global setting, which follows the registration approval method that is configured from the registration form. Or you can override that setting specifically for this role and choose a different approval process. This is useful when different types of B2B customers require different registration workflows. Next is Price Display. Here, you can decide how prices appear to customers in this role, using your default configuration, including tax or excluding tax. This lets you control price presentations separately for different B2B customer groups. Next, choose which payment methods customers in this role are allowed to use. For example, you could allow WholesaleX Wallet and direct bank transfer for this role, while keeping other payment methods unavailable. You can also configure additional rules for individual payment methods, including discounts and other conditions. We cover those advanced payment rules separately in another tutorial. After that, choose the shipping methods available to this role. This setting only controls which shipping options these customers can access. However, if you enable free shipping, you can also specify when it should apply and configure related promotional messages. So you can easily limit specific shipping methods to the B2B roles that should have access to them. You can also enable auto role migration. This automatically moves customers into this role once they meet the purchase amount you specify. For example, you could automatically move any individual normal wholesale customers into this role after their total purchases reach $2,000. At this point, you already have everything you need to create the basic B2B user role. Just click Add New Role when you're ready. But if you need more control, switch to the Role Restrictions tab. Under General Restrictions, you can disable coupons, replace cart with quote, or restrict sub-account creation for customers, etc. for this role. You also have dedicated controls for product visibility, non-purchasable products, checkout restrictions, price visibility, and tax rules. Each restriction handles a different part of the purchasing experience, so we'll cover how they work individually in dedicated tutorials. Subscribe to the channel to learn how to configure these role restrictions and get more WholesaleX tutorials.